What's up everybody, we are back with another video and a brand new Hot Wheels 5-pack. At least here in Germany, or at least here for me in my area, this is brand new. And yeah, how cool is this? A set that only contains Ferrari models. It's Ferrari branded, and I think I can definitely say this is the best Hot Wheels 5-pack of the year. And not only because we get 5 Ferrari models and no brand new Luce. The cool thing about this set is we don't get any exact re-releases. So every model in this pack is new, at least it has different wheels than a previous version. By the way, I found this in a Woolworth store and paid €7, and I would say it's a pretty good deal. Sometimes these 5-packs cost 10 to 12 euros, depends on the store. And with that said, let's take a look at the models. I already cut this thing open. So yeah, let's take our models out, and I would say we start from the bottom with this one here, which is the F40 Competizione. And yeah, one of the coolest Ferraris ever made, in my opinion. This thing looks really good. I like how it's done, especially the lens headlights, which are of course part of the window piece. Very, very nice. Then we have these 5-spoke wheels, white 5 spokes or double 5 spokes. And yeah, of course we have seen this model in this color. Here it is, but not with these wheels. So here, side by side, you can see the difference. And yeah, that is definitely what I like. No exact re-releases. That's often a problem with these 5-packs. Doesn't matter if it's Hot Wheels or Matchbox. But yeah, this is really cool. We have also seen the F40 in yellow so far, with the gray wheels, and in black. And as you can see, the black version has the same wheels as our new 5-pack version, but in chrome, not in white. So yeah, that was the first model. That is really, really nice. We put it into the parking lot, and we take a look at the next model, which looks really cool. And yeah, but it has I would say a little bit of a difficult name. I don't speak Italian, but I think this is called the 12 cilindri. And yeah, I only say this once because I think yeah, a native speaker, or from a native speaker, definitely sounds better. But we take a look at the model. I really like the style of this car. I'm not a huge fan of the wheels. You can't really see the style because they are black, but if we take a look at the previous version, so both have the same wheel style, but the previous version came with chrome wheels, and now we see it with black wheels. Now, basically, I would say both of them have the same livery. It's this, I would call it candy apple red. I don't know if you can see it on camera. The previous version seems to be a little bit brighter. The red is not as dark as the new version. I don't know if that's intentionally, not really sure. I think basically they try to do the same livery. So yeah, really like the shape of this car. Into the parking lot it goes as we go on with this one here, which is the Dino 206 GT. And yeah, it recently came out as a single pack mainline. So let's compare it with that version. There we go. Of course, you can see basically same color, but we have different wheels. I think it's kind of interesting how they've done the headlights. These are part of the interior piece, chrome, and I think it looks really, really good, really nicely done. We get this chrome bumper on the back and on the front, and yeah, this is a nice version. I think, I would say, I'm not really sure. The rims on the 5-pack version do look a little bit better, in my opinion, on this style of car. There we go. Into the parking lot it goes as we take a look at this guy here. The SF90 Stradale. Yeah, also a very cool looking car, also in kind of a candy apple red. And yeah, it's time that we compare this one to the previous version. We have already seen 4 versions of this model in, yeah, I would call it Ferrari red, I don't know, with these black double 5 spokes. And then we have seen it in this very dark kind of wine red, I would call this. I think this one, I'm not really sure. I think this one was also in a 5-pack, if I can remember it correctly. I'm pretty sure. So we have this version. We've also seen it in gray with the double 5 spokes, and in blue. So very, very cool. Put it into the parking lot. Put these to the side as we take a look at our last model, which is the 365 GTB4C. And yeah, maybe you think we have seen this exact version before, but no, you are wrong. So the version we've seen before is this one here. So if we take a close look, we will see that our 5-pack version not only has a different wheel color, comes with gray wheels, the whole racing livery is different. Different number, of course. And also the stripes are a little bit different when we wait till the front comes to the camera. You see the blue stripe on this one goes all through to the front, not so on this version. And then I think it's a little bit hard to see on camera. The previous version came with, let's say, with a normal window piece. You see it on the lens headlights. This one has tinted windows, so we get these darker headlamp pieces. And yeah, that was our last model. So if I remember it correctly, we have 3 models. A little bit closer to the camera. We have 1, 2, 3 models that come with new wheels. Well, on this one, the shade of red is a little bit different. And this one not only has different wheels, also the color is different. And yeah, on this one also the whole livery, the wheels and the window piece is different. So yeah, that was the Ferrari 5-pack. And of course, I have to pick a favorite. And yeah, it's pretty hard. But I think the coolest, I don't know. I think it's this one. A 40 is the classic, and I think it just looks really good with these white rims. What do you think? Thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.